Alright, this is a wolf spider we found in the crawl space at the church.
Nasty. Oh! Ah.
He's attacking the knife. He's got some nasty fangs on him, dude.
Yeah, those fangs are
Look at those
dead.
fangs right there. See him? You better watch yourself.
Ooh! Oh!
Come on, dude. That is nasty.
Go get him, dude. We gotta kill him.
I gotta kill him.
You gotta kill him, dude.
I gotta kill all his brothers and sisters. Ready?
Ready for what? Don't do anything
Oh,
stupid.
he's gonna bite. He's gonna attack. Dude, he's biting it. I can see him biting it.
Cut him in half. Cut his face off of his face. Oh, yes!
Dead.